Do you have one of these ryobi caulking guns? I love this gun, but the only problem was I noticed when I was throwing my tubes away that it felt a little heavier. So I was kind of curious. So I got my old style. Now this tube was in this gun, and the gun stopped. It said it was empty. You see how much is still in that tube. It's quite a bit. So one thing I kind of learned is it's about 3/4 of an inch too short. So you can see on here what I did is I just got some plywood and a piece of paneling and cut it circle to fit on that, and I use double sticky tape and put it on there. So now when I use this gun, it will actually shoot out 100% of my silicone or whatever I'm using. And I'm not wasting a big old glob of it. So just kind of help your temp on these ryobis. I do have a coworker that has one, and his is actually metal right here, and his actually goes to the end. Mine doesn't. You can see how far that thing stops from the edge of that. So I added those wooden blocks. So anyway, just hope kind of helps you out. Maybe quit wasting so much. So thanks for watching.